So now we're going to look at steroids. So steroids can act as hormones and structural components of a cell membrane. So steroids have a carbon backbone containing 4 characteristics fused with carbon rings. So if you look at the structure right here, you see 4 carbon rings. So this is called the steroidal backbone. One example of a steroid is cholesterol. Now you might have heard of cholesterol like in your food. So cholesterol is synthesis of many other biomolecules such as sex hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. So the purpose of a steroid, the purpose is to help the cell membranes with fluidity and permeability of the structure, because you need nutrients and waste to pass through nice and easily. So that's what steroids are for. So some of the uses of a steroid is example for testosterone. So testosterone is in males for tissue growth. So you can inject testosterone. Another example of steroids is performance-enhancing steroids, which is illegal in a lot of events because of ethical and other reasons. One way cholesterol is not good for you is because it is not soluble in water. It is one of the main culprits of circulatory disease. It is because it's not soluble in blood. It's transported through LDL and HDL. So LDL is low density lipoprotein, and HDL is high density protein. So LDL, you want your LDL to be really low, because LDL will increase, because it will increase the deposition on arteries, especially the ones around your heart. So if there's a lot of cholesterol forming in your arteries, it will clog them. And this is especially for saturated and trans fat. Trans fat the worst. You do not want to eat trans fat. It is very bad for you. So you want your LDL to be really low so you won't have clogged arteries. On the other hand, you want your HDL to be high because it protects against heart disease. And then, so HDL is it carries cholesterol away from the arteries to slow its buildup, which LDL builds it up. So one way to decrease your LDL is to eat a lot of omega-3s, unsaturated fatty acid, like fish oils, flax seeds, to reduce cardiovascular disease. And then one last thing that you need to know for lipids is, let's find some space right here. Alright, so fats are more reduced than carbs. But why is that? Why are fats more reduced than carbs? It's because fats are oxidized more and they release more energy. So if you look at a carb, the carbon only needs one oxygen to attach because it already has another oxygen attached. But a fat needs two oxygens to attach. Which is why it is oxidized, and because it's oxidized more, it takes a longer time, so more energy is released. That's it for lipids. Yeah, thank you.